Up next on Good Taste, we're dining in style and cooking up Creole with one of Houston's top chefs.
All the flavors and all these aromas are amazing. Yes.
Unbelievable.
We've discovered a fine dining oasis in a tiny Texas town that's sure to please.
We needed a place like this for a while.
Then to South Austin for creative coastal cuisine from a trio who's been cooking together for 20 years. Who wins on a discussion? I mean, when you're doing a collaboration on a dish?
Me.
Good Taste starts right now. Hi everyone, welcome to Good Taste. I'm Tanji Patton. Each week we bring you a taste of Texas' best restaurants, along with some wonderful wine finds. We're going to start today in Houston. My hometown just happens to be home to a restaurant that's been at the top of its game for 45 years. Growing up, this is where my family celebrated special occasions. And as you're about to see, every meal is special at Brennan's. When there's something to celebrate, you want to come here.
Definitely special occasions.
To one of the most beautiful restaurants in the Bayou City.
Oh, the food's fantastic and the service is unbelievable.
Brennan's of Houston. Hey! The elegant decor oozes Southern charm with its stately brick walls framed in thick crown moldings. Sparkling chandeliers add a festive touch. And the perfect spot to take it all in? The giant wingback chairs. So comfy, you'll never want to leave.
His reputation is spread far and wide.
It's a reputation well earned. Here, Creole classics like velvety turtle soup and sugar-dusted beignets share the table with tons of Texas coastal cuisine. You'll love brunch at Brennan's too. One of the standouts, Eggs Brennan, with 1 Eggs Benedict and 1 Egg Sourdough. A poached egg atop an artichoke bottom and creamed spinach. Both drenched in rich hollandaise. Another star at Brennan's any time of day, wood-grilled Gulf oysters.
Great oyster flavor, huh?
The perfect finale to any meal here, the tableside bananas Foster. These are worth every single scrumptious calorie. All this goodness orchestrated by Chef Danny Trace, who's been with the Brennan's family for 20 years. I was curious, after all these years, all the fantastic food he's seen, what still kind of gets you excited?
You know, I like they all kind of excite me. You know, it all depends on the day, the week. You know, jumbled up crab cakes. I mean, that's something that's been done here forever at Brennan's.
And they do it right, tossing those jumbo lumps of crab meat with roasted kernels of fresh corn, all dressed with a light rabago sauce and served over a silky corn cream. I've never had your crab cake.
Well, good. Well,
so I can't wait.
Welcome home. So, I mean, that's a half a pound of crab on a plate.
Jumbo.
Jumbo lump.
And it's delicious. Another chef favorite, Brennan's shrimp and grits, made with homegrown stone-ground Texas grits and Texas goat cheese. And just about everyone's favorite, Brennan's famous turtle soup.
I mean, the first question that I get asked, besides the people that have been coming here forever, is there real turtle in it? Yes, there is real turtle in the soup.
In the kitchen, this maestro of Creole cuisine even adds a Texas twist to bouillabaisse.
We like to call it Texas Creole.
Oh,
so,
I like
that. It is a twist on bouillabaisse. Down in Louisiana, we call it coubillon.
Coubillon.
Yeah, so it has all of the Gulf seafood. We're gonna have some beautiful red fish. We'll have, I'm actually gonna add soft shell crab, some head-on shrimp, just a lot of vegetables, a lot of flavor.
He starts with a house-made Creole seasoning and sautéing it all in a smoking hot cast iron pan.
And I love the sear of that cast iron. Look at that.
Oh, I do too.
It's just beautiful and clean and just very traditional.
Then in goes the garlic, the Creole Trinity.
A little Pernod.
Hey!
You always want to kind of taste what's going on.
Yeah.
Unless you don't like your family or your friends, then don't worry about it. It's a little warm.
Oh,
Beautiful, huh?
whoa.
Good flavors.
Danny says his love for Cajun cuisine came from his family, his grandfather.
He taught me a lot. Most of the men in my family cook. The women, not so much.
Are you teaching your boys to cook?
I am. I'm teaching them a lot. You know, my oldest son, he was making us French toast. He asked me the other day when I knew I was in trouble, he said, "Dad, I need you to teach me how to make hollandaise." I said, "Oh man."
He's
That's why
jumping out
yeah, I
there.
started kicking him away from the stove.
A family tradition passed from one generation to another. Just like celebrating special occasions, there's no better place than Brennan's. Brennan's is always special. Coming up, I'll tell you about one of my favorite Austin spots. Pacific Coast seafood here sizzles.
That lemon.
The
So
lemon aioli
bright.
is
Up next, proof that a wife's intuition is always right. He finally gave in.
If we're going to do it, let's do it in a bigger scale.
The result is big, all right, and it's just up the road from wherever you live. Good things come from Cisco.